Have you found your life purpose yet? If not, you might want to watch this video. I'm going to talk about how you can use journaling to find your life purpose. Alright, let's get started with this video. So the big question is, why journal to find your life purpose? Because when you're journaling, the whole point is to get in touch with yourself, learn about yourself, and uncover your feelings, your thoughts, and your emotions. And those things are very important when you're trying to find your life purpose, because nobody can tell you what your life purpose is. This must be something that comes from inside. And journaling, as you know, is one of the best ways, if not the best way, to get inside and really learn about yourself. So let's clarify what a life purpose is. It could be your mission in life. It could simply be the meaning you give to life. It could be living in alignment with your soul, living your values, reaching your goals. So there's many ways to word this. So whatever way resonates with you, it's a personal thing. How do you do journaling to find your life purpose? So I think the best way to do this is to use journal prompts. I think that when you are freestyle journaling, you're not really guided, which in the ways that you should be, because I think that in order to get to the heart of, what you're all about, you need to have some guidance. Like whenever you look for ways to find your life purpose, they always say that there are specific questions. They always list these questions. And when I did research for this workbook that I made, it showed in every result the same questions. So I'm going to give you a few of those questions in this video. The first one is, how do you want to help the world? Whether or not you want to become an expert in something, or you want to be a gardener, you want to work in an office, you want to help people get better, you want to come up with ideas for businesses or building things, creating things, whatever it is. The whole point of finding your chosen field of service is to help the world. So how do you want to help the world is a great question to ask. Another question is, what areas of life are you drawn to? So this can be anything from health to business, entertaining people, teaching people, anything like that. There are thousands of areas of life, and these are just a few of the examples on the screen. What things are you good at? So do you find yourself drawn to helping people, or are you a creative person? Do you like to teach? Are you good with numbers? There are probably thousands of things that people can be good at, and this is why journaling is so great, because it will guide you to those questions that will help you determine which things you're good at. Like which things are, what do people ask you to help them with? What do people ask you for advice about? Here's another good question. If everyone in the world was given enough money to live comfortably without needing to work, how would you spend your time? So another way to word this question is, let's say everybody has money, so that's all taken care of, but you still feel something missing, you want to be involved in the world and the community. What would you do as a volunteer position? So if it's something that you would volunteer to do because you want to do it that badly, that is probably your purpose in life. So if you would like to have a more of a guided way to do this through journal prompts, I have the Life Purpose Workbook, which includes 6 pages of journal prompts that will help you dig deep to uncover your life purpose. And they include some of the questions that I asked you today. And also there's 19 pages total. So it goes through a values assessment, and it asks you the questions that I covered in this video. Like, what areas are you drawn to? What are you good at? Things like that. And it helps you work through them, and it gives you the space on the page to write. So if you're looking to find your life purpose, or if you know anybody that is struggling to find their life purpose, then this would be perfect for them. So I will leave a link down below if you're interested in that, and thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video.